Hello, this is Woncher from Real Korean with Woncher. What we are going to learn today is how to introduce yourself in Korean. This is going to be with very easy sentences, but very useful ones. And this is part 2, so if you haven't watched part 1, please check my YouTube channel and watch the part 1 as well. So let's get started. So first one, 안녕하세요 means hello. Probably already know this already. Very basic expression, but we use it every day. 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. Hello, hi. Yeah. The next one, 반가워요. Once again, 반가워요. That means nice to meet you. Yeah. So you can use these two together. 안녕하세요. 반가워요. Hello, nice to meet you. Yeah, like in English. Okay, next one. And 저는 원철이에요. So, very importantly, in Korean, a verb is at the end of sentence. So, 이에요 here is a verb. And 저는 is subject. And 원철 here is my name. So, 저는 원철이에요. I am 원초. So this 이에요 is very important. 이에요 is something called to be verb. So in English, depending on the subject, verb changes. So I am, or they are, she is, right? But in Korean, they are all 이에요. Here 이에요. Am, or she is, or they are all 이에요. Okay? So, I am 원초, 이에요. And if your name is 민수, and it's 이에요. So, 이에요 and 이에요, they are all to be verb, the same one. But when your name ends in a consonant, like my name, 원초, then it's 이에요. So, if your name ends in a consonant, it's 이에요. And if your name ends in a vowel, like 민수, then it's 예요. So, 저는 민수예요. I am 민수. Yeah, okay. So, if your name is Daniel, then 저는 데니얼이에요. Because your name ends in a consonant. Yeah, here. So, 이에요. But if your name is Lisa, like this one, then it's 예요. Because Lisa's name ends in a vowel here. Lisa. So, Lisa, 예요. Yeah. So, once again, if your name ends in a consonant, like Daniel, then it's 이에요. And if your name ends in a vowel, like Lisa, then it's 예요. Alright? And the next one, so again, 저는. Now you know 저는 is I, subject. And 이에요, again, 이에요. Because subject is I, and 이에요 would be am in English. And 한국 사람, this one, 한국 is Korea. And 사람 is some person in English. So 한국 사람 means Korean. I am Korean. Okay. So next one, 미국 사람. 미국 is US, and I just said 사람 is person. So if you put them together, 미국 사람, American. So if you want to say I'm American, 저는 미국 사람이에요. Okay. So next one, 일본 is Japan, Philippines, the Philippines, Spain. So if you want to say I'm Japanese, then here 일본 사람이에요. Okay. And if you want to say I'm from Philippines, then 필리핀 사람이에요. So 사람 is person. And 저는 스페인 사람이에요. I'm from Spain. I'm Spanish. Alright? And next one, again, 저는 here. 저는 I. But a verb changed. 살아요. This is a new verb, but we use it very often. To live. 살아요. And here, 독일 is Germany. Germany. Okay. Germany. And then 에서 is something called place particle. So it works like in or at in English. It's something called place particle. So if you put them together, 독일에서, that becomes in Germany. Yeah? And then I just said 미국 is US. And 에서 is like in. So 미국에서 in the US. 저는 I 살아요 is a verb. So if you put them together, 저는 미국에서 살아요. I live in the US. Okay? So next one. 일본, Japan, Philippines, the Philippines, Spain, Spain. So 저는 일본에서 살아요. I live in Japan. 저는 필리핀에서 살아요. I live in the Philippines. 저는 스페인에서 살아요. I live in Spain. Yeah. Okay, next one. The subject changed. So 제 취미는 제 is my. 제 is my. 취미 is hobby. So 제 취미는 my hobby. And 이에요, you already know. 이에요 is to be verb. So in this case it's is here. And jogging is one of the Konglish words. Jogging. We use it quite often. jogging, jogging. So 제 취미는 jogging이에요. My hobby is jogging. And next one, the same subject. 제 취미는 농구예요. So in this case also, when this hobby in the middle ends in a consonant, it's 이예요. And when this word ends in a vowel, like 농구, it's 예요. Yeah? So it's just for pronunciation reasons. Yeah? Nothing more. So once again, 제 취미는 농구예요. My hobby is basketball. 농구 is basketball in English. Yeah. Okay. So 축구, soccer. 축구 is soccer. 여행 is traveling. Piano is piano. So if you want to say my hobby is soccer, 제 취미는 축구예요. Because 축구, soccer ends in vowel. So 제 취미는 축구예요. And then 제 취미는 여행이에요. Because 여행 ends in a consonant here. Yeah? So it's 이에요. Okay? And the next one, piano, is 예요. Because it ends in a vowel. 피아노예요. Okay? Next one. 저는 배워요. 저는 배워요. 배워요 is to learn. 배워요 means to learn. And 한국어, you probably know this one. 한국어, Korean language. So here you see that is a language in Korean. So you see that here as well. So 한국 is Korea, the name of country. And then if you put right after that word, then it becomes the language of that country. So the language in Korea, Korean. So 저는 한국어, Korean 배워요. To learn. So I am learning Korean. 저는 한국어 배워요. And the next one, the same subject and verb. 저는 배워요. What am I learning? 영어. English. 영어 is English. I am learning English. Okay. So here 영국 is England, and then so it becomes 영어. So it's the language from England. That's why we call it 영어, English. And then next one, what else can I learn? 스페인어, Spanish, 일본어, Japanese, 피아노, piano, 축구, soccer. So 저는 스페인어 배워요. 저는 일본어 배워요. 저는 피아노 배워요. 저는 축구 배워요. Okay? Okay, that's it from the part 2, how to introduce yourself in Korean. Now, before we go, let's review what we just learned. So, how do we say hi in Korean? Very basic one. So, hi in Korean, 안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. Alright. The next one, I am 원초. How do I say my name? I am 원초. Yes. 저는 원철이에요. 저는 원철이에요. We start with subject and you simply put your name in the middle. And don't forget that we always have a verb at the end of the sentence. So 이에요, to be verb. Alright? 이에요. And how do we say I'm Korean? 저는, we start with subject 저는 is I, and 이에요 is the verb, and 한국 is the name of country, Korea, and 사람 is the person. So if you put them together, Korean. Okay? So like, if you want to say American, 미국 사람. If you want to say Spanish person, 스페인 사람. Yeah? 미국 사람. 스페인 사람. Okay? And then, how do you say I live in Germany? So you start with I, 저는. So, 저는 독일에서 살아요. So, 살아요 was the new verb, to live. And 에서 works like time, the place particle. So like in or at in English. And 독일 is Germany. So once again, 저는 독일에서 살아요. I live in Germany. Okay. And then my hobby is jogging. How do you say my hobby is jogging? Yes. 제 취미는 조깅이에요. 제 취미는 조깅이에요. 제 취미는 is my hobby. My hobby. And jogging is Konglish. Is like jogging. And 이에요, you already know, is a to be verb. So is in this case. 제 취미는 조깅이에요. Okay. And then what about I'm learning Korean? So start with I, 저는, and then we also learn the new verb to learn. Here, 배워요, to learn. And then the language in Korea, Korean, 한국어, 한국어. English was 영어, and Japanese language, 일본어. So you simply put a right after the name of country. 한국어, 영어, 일본어. Alright? So 저는 한국어 배워요. I'm learning Korean. 다시 할게요. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed my video, and if you want more videos like this, please subscribe my channel and like this video. Bye!